y'all, it's Tammy. Welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. Here is my new host code for July. So make sure you get that for this month. If you plan on purchasing anything from Stampin' Up, you can get the new July paper pumpkin as well. Order your July paper pumpkin by the 10th. Also today, you can put in now your order for the add-on bundle for the July paper pumpkin. Links will be down in the description box below. I'm going to share the paper pumpkin cards that I made with the last paper pumpkin that we just got here in June. And here's what the box looked like. And this was the box of sunshine. I'm going to share the cards that I made so far. And I've just got stuff everywhere in here. I've still got some projects that I am going to make, and I want to share those with you. But I've already made these cards up, and I just wanted to share those with you as I presented my new host code today. So here's the cards. I've got just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards that I made. These are alternative cards that you know, you can just make alternative cards with the kit, and this just gives you some ideas. So I'll just show you. Here is the first one. See, I decorated the envelope as well. This is just a different envelope, and here's a card. So I used a black card from, this was different paper pumpkin card from last year. So I grabbed it. I always like to get like older paper pumpkins and look through and see what I've got and grab supplies and use it. So that's what this was from, just an older paper pumpkin card. So I thought I would use it, and that's what I did. And then I had this sequence and used it, and that's all there was. Oh, and then I embossed the stamp that I used down here, and I also embossed around the lemon on the card there. So real simple. And I used the Feel Better Soon and put that strip inside. And the Feel Better Soon came from a paper pumpkin also. Okay. These clear envelopes you can also get from Stampin' Up. These are really nice. You can also mail these like this. That's why I've got this piece of paper in here like this. So when I'm ready to mail it, all I do is address that piece of paper. And you can put the stamp right on there and mail them just like that. So here is this card, and I used just a green piece, and I didn't put anything inside it yet, just the white card stock for now, because I'm not sure what kind of card this will be yet. But yeah, I just decorated that up with the yellow and the green to match the pineapple, and then put the little black polka dotted sticker behind it to just make that pop out, and used the sequins that came in it. So I really like the pineapple one. And here's a real different one here. for the envelope, I just, excuse me, stamped out the sun there. Now this one has a lot of different things going on here. I got some different stamp sets from different paper pumpkins, a lot of different paper pumpkins. The birds and the feather down here was from an older paper pumpkin last year. And then of course the clouds were from a paper pumpkin just, what, a few months back. Let's see. This Just Because was from paper pumpkin earlier this year. And then of course there's the sun, and I embossed all, let's see, the clouds and the sun, and then I did a watercoloring technique on the back of everything, just a watercolor wash. And for the sky, let's see, what else did I do? Oh, I took a piece of the tissue, actually. I cut just a little piece of that tissue and put it behind here because I liked that, and just stuck it behind there for some texture. And then I've got some of this twine that matches. This is my Daffodil Delight DIY twine. I have if you want to know how to make that, it's real simple. I have a video on that, and so I just took a little piece of that, wrapped it around through the card, and then kind of like made like a little tassel hanging from it right there. And that's the front of it. And then inside I stamped the sun, put a little something to brighten your day, and stamped out that feather again. So that's that card. And then here is this card here. Now I just left this card, or this envelope, the way it came. And excuse me. This came from the Memories and More card pack that we have. This is just actually a strip that was left over from another card that you'll see here where I cut it, and I used it to back of this one. And so I thought it worked perfect. And then I didn't put anything inside this one just yet. This one I'm going to go back and probably color a little bit, maybe add a sun to it or something. I just got tired and kind of forgot. But this one is almost like what they show, I think, in here. Yeah, it's real similar to what they show here, but I did do it quite different. A lot of things different, actually. They've got hello and a different tag. I put hello sunshine. And then also, as you see, there's card is white, and I've colored mine. So, and how I colored it, I just got the ink. I got Puppy Parade, Mango Melody, and Daffodil Delight, and just got like some sponges, like these little sponges here, the stamping sponges, or you can get the little ink daubers, either one. And I just inked it up that way, blended it all together, and then stamped out on the stamp, and then I used a piece of the black behind it. And then, like I said, I want to go and do this as well. And I think to do that, to keep it right in here, if you do that, you'll have to use something to mask all that off so you don't mess up the whole envelope. So I'll be doing that. And that's actually how I did this, because I had it laid open and I masked it off. I'm having trouble talking today. All right, and here's the last one. This is You Are My Sunshine, and where I got that was from that Memories and More card pack, and I cut it out, and it's from this right there. It was in there in the middle of one of those cards, and that was the pieces that were left over there. Ooh, it just got dark. I think it's getting ready to storm or something. And I stamped a bunch of suns and on a piece of cardstock, and then actually on the back of one of those cards that I cut, I just used it. And what I did was just used my pool party and kind of just did a little water wash kind of in between all the suns, so it wasn't so white. And just colored inside the suns a little bit too with a little water wash. I think I may have used Daffodil Delight for that. And then I used the pink that matches the sunshine, so it would, you know, just kind of pop more, because I like that color there. And then I just stamped out another sun inside, and same with on the envelope, because that was just a plain envelope. So there are all my little alternatives for now. And if you like this, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please share. If you're not a subscriber, please remember to subscribe. I thank y'all for watching, and please keep watching for more videos coming up. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching, and have a blessed day.